Alright, I'm trying to brand my burgers with my P.E.T.A branding iron, but it keeps sticking to the meat. You can see I already tried to do that one. And you can see where the top layer came right off the meat because it's sticking. So I'm going to try to spray it with a little vegetable oil, see if that helps. Just waiting for my branding iron to get hot again. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and spray the meat. Okay, we'll try that. Let's try this again. Oh, it's stuck again. Maybe I can save it. Well, that's not too bad. Well, there you have it. My very first P.E.T.A burger.